Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark on TikTok video that you saved. So in here, I'm going to find a video to save. For example, I'm going to save this videos right here. So let's just click on the share button in the video. So what you need to do is not click on save, but click on this copy link. So copy the link of the video. After it's copied, you can just open your browser, and here just find the TikTok video downloader. This one's right here, and there will be lots of TikTok downloader that you can choose. For example, I'm going to choose the second one. So what you need to do here is just paste the link that you copied before and then tap on download and just wait. So in here, if you scroll down, there will be this option to download the video without watermark. So let's just click on that, and here the video will be downloading without the watermark. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.